there, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful holiday makeup look using the Melon Squeeze eyeshadow palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. Right now I am priming my eyes with some concealer. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as YouTube at Madame Sophie. That is MADAMESOPHY. I hope you're having a fabulous holiday season and all is working your way. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can see, this eyeshadow palette has a total of 9 colors. It is the main squeeze eyeshadow palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I am going to start off with the color on the right hand side, the bottom right hand side. I'm just gonna blend in that color just to make sure that all is well and everything looks the way I would like it to. How's the last few days of your 2022s looking? I hope that your year 2022 was one of success. Not just success, but it was one of self-discovery, and you were able to learn from your mistakes and you were able to overcome whichever stumbling blocks that came your way. I hope that you were able to overcome that and not give that stumbling block power over your success. So I'm just gonna apply that shade from the mid eyelid section down to the lower eyelid section. And I'm not going to cover it all the way because I would like to do a fake cut crease. As you can see, I went back into that concealer and I'm basically creating the illusion of a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. Again, this look is very simple, more on the matte side as opposed to the shimmery side. I'm using quite a bit of matte colors for this look, and I can definitely tell you that for the first time using this eyeshadow palette, I really love the color payoff. Definitely there is a huge color payoff when it comes to the red popping. I think that as long as you prime your eyes the way you should, you shouldn't have a problem with the red showing up in this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to drag that concealer down from my mid eyelid section down to the lower eyelid section. I'm going to drag that into my tear duct, and I'm going back into that color to blend in that cut crease area with the previous color because I do not want that line to show. Now I'm going in the color Froze. Froze is more of a peachy color, red peachy color. It's not really peach, but more on the red side. And I'm just going in with that color. I'm applying it mainly in my tear duct area, more on the inner corner of my eyelid section. Also, don't forget to check me out on TikTok. That is MADAME.SOPHY, Madam.Sophie on TikTok, to see some snippets of my health and fitness journey. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Facebook if you'd like to join my live workout sessions. So now I'm going in that loose eyeshadow This is a loose eyeshadow called French Quarter from J. LaRue Cosmetics. This is one of the loose eyeshadows and it is called French Quarter. Also, for my live workouts, I post my live workouts at the end of every live workout so that it's available for you to view at any time. And again, live workouts are for free. So don't forget to check me out on Facebook as well as Instagram to join my live workout sessions. I mainly come on at around 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, mainly on the weekends. So mainly Saturday and Sunday, I will come on to do my live workout sessions. So I'm just blending in that loose eyeshadow just to create the illusion of a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. Now I'm going to go in the color. I'm going back in the color Baywatch. Baywatch is in the last row of this color palette. It is more of a bronze, reddish bronze shimmer color. And I'm just layering that color on top of the frozen color and blending it into that cut crease, that faux cut crease I recently did. I'm gonna go back in that color Maraschino. Maraschino is in the second row of the eyeshadow palette. Second row, second color. I'm just using that color to blend in everything, to remove any sharp lines. I'm going in with a dabbing motion with my blending brush because I really want that red color to show up. NYX or NYX white eyeliner, going in the color Juicy Fruit, and I'm going to apply that on to my white eyeliner area, or the canvas I previously created. So fun fact, 80% of people who make a New Year resolution do not continue to meet or engage in the actions to meet that resolution by February. So again, guys, don't let yourself be part of that statistic. If you made that commitment to get something done for yourself, please stick to it. It's very important that you do. So now I'm going in that red color that is on the first row, last color in the first row of that eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom of that eyelid area. Oh, so now I'm going in the color Like It's Hot, and this is the color I'm going to use to do my blush. Just gonna go light in that color. I'm not gonna go heavy. And as you could see, I'm just applying and I'm just using it as a brush, and you're definitely seeing that red color popping. If you really want a reliable red eyeshadow color, definitely you want to check out the Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. And I know that that eyeshadow palette has been out for a while, but I definitely wanted to use it for the holiday season. Alright, so now, and I'm not going to leave it that way. I'm going to smooth it out. I'm going to go back with my foundation puff or my foundation sponge, and I'm just going to blend out that blush. I'm going to use my bronzer powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics in the color Cappuccino. I'm just going to lay that bronze color on top of that blush that I recently applied. Definitely don't want to go in with a heavy hand. Again, I did go in with a heavy hand, so I'm just blending things out with that foundation sponge. Now I'm going to go in the color Baywatch, back in the color Baywatch, and I am going to layer that color, put that color, use it as a highlighter. I'm going to put it on top of that Like It's Hot color that I used previously as a blush, and I'm just going to layer that color with the Like It's Hot shade. It's more of a, I'm using that shade more like a highlighter. And I'm gonna go back in the color Maraschino. Again, blending things out. Since I am going for a red bronze look, I decided to go back in that Maraschino color. Alright, so there you have it. This is the completed look using the Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I went on and I applied some lashes and definitely applied some red lip color. The lip color I'm wearing today is from Fenty Beauty, the Stunner Lip Paint in the color Scented. I hope you have a beautiful holiday season, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Stay Sophie.